Hello, my friend. Hello, my dear viewers. Today, we are taking a closer look at a rising Web3 project that's gaining serious attention, Node Meta. Node Meta is a next generation blockchain ecosystem designed to make decentralized technology more accessible through node infrastructure, NFTs, staking, and multi chain integration. The platform aims to simplify participation in Web3 while allowing users to earn rewards by contributing to the network. With its own native token, NTA, Node Meta Energy, users can take part in staking node operations and other on-chain activities, all while supporting the growth of a decentralized network. In this video, we'll explore what Node Meta is, how it works, and why it's becoming one of the most talked about Web3 platforms right now. Let's get started. Yes, my friend, I will show this website and this project. I will talk about all details and step by step. Node Meta, you have NFT technologies, have daily earning rewards, have another features on this Node Meta, and have their token Node Energy. And you can earn daily rewards and seasonal rewards, meaning means ownership have this area. And this is will next generation marketplace and can so digital revolution unleash it and get featured this project have a few exchanges Mix Global, Node Meta, Binance, Bitget, and you can get these features on this area and have used technology, centralized technology for decentralized rewards. You can see details and success rates and their details. And have a roadmap. You can look year one, two, and another year's roadmap details. And build for long-term sustainability, encourage early adoption, rewards loyalty, and another features. And this token NT will listed on L Bank also. You can get this is latest news about this have details on area. 1 minute, you check for it. Loading news, yes. NTIA will be listed soon on L Bank. This token very good for Node Meta because you can earn NTIA token from Node Meta from earnings. And we get Connect wallet. Connect wallet, you can connect MetaMask or another wallet to Node Meta, enter. And yes, Connect wallet. I'm use MetaMask. Also, you can use Wallet Connect, Phantom, OneInch wallet, Binance wallet, or another wallet. Yes, we go this project, and yes. Now I entered to Node Meta dashboard, verifying my wallet, and they want uh, password. Now I write password and authentication code. Authentication code. Okay, login. Login successful and get information and go dashboard. Yes, no, at dashboard. Yes, I have a token this amount on this BSC network. This system use BSC network also, Binance Smart network, and have a Meta Pulse. You can get benefits from this. This is not core. I have core node, elite node, and the Meta Pulse. I will buy from Meta Pulse, and I show this all step by step and have staking. You can stake NTF token and get rewards for uh, any amount and any time for staking. And get wallet info. You can see this wallet info, network info. chain ID, your wallet, and your amount, your India wallet, token transfers, and all show in here. And have referral bonuses. You can look this all product bonuses or any products. You can select it, no problem. And MetaPools member, Elite Node member, Core member, Proof of Stake membership, and nodes. Also, you can see nodes, MetaPools, and have this $400 MetaPools, and you can earn these amounts. Please look, daily bonus, this NTA token, and the lock period 2 years, bonus claim daily, monthly bonus no, Mr. Bucks no. And you can buy from these MetaPools. Or you can buy from another's, but Elite notes this amount and core note $1,500 dollars, and this is a big amount. But Meta Pools is good for us. I buy from this Meta Pools, and we get by. Only I have need one. You can click this regular confirmations. This. Okay, buy one not NTM. And this is a package price $400 and lock period 2 years. Processed with purchase, and they want our password. Yes, verify continue. No, with confirmation from Binance Smart. Yes, okay, confirm. Okay, confirm. Yes, no checking purchase status. True confirmation and processing purchase on the server. 1 minute, only waiting, and we'll buy. I will show all details, really. Yes, purchase complete. Yes, I bought this Metapulse Note. Very good, very good. Okay. No, I check my Metapulse member. Yes, yes, okay. You can see this Metapulse on here. Yes, okay. I will earn daily NTA token from this node, and I will make another videos for next time for these earnings. Maybe I make new videos about it. This not meta project. Also, the proof of stake and DBA membership, DBA programs have DBA programs also. Yes, and have 30-day program, joining fee only $100, and duration 30 days, bonus only 15%. You can also join these memberships. Also stakes, you can earn from stake also. Platinum staking example, this is about $10,000. Also another tokens and other staking features, and will be games on blockchain, credit debit card, AI power trading bots, and others. You can know say my details and my remaining this NTA token, and show balance and claim, ready to claim. Switch to reconnect, and we can claim our tokens, and have DEX. You can look this DEX transfers on area, buy volume, sell volume, and others. Yes, my friend, I talked about this Node Meta project, and I talked about all details, and I did show step by step how we can buy from this MetaPulse member, Elite Node, Core Node, anyone. Yes, my friend, we go to website again and look another details. Yes, this token will listed on L Bank. exchange, and you can see details and tokenomics, earning details, interesting features, supply amount, all features in here. Also, I have Node Meta mobile application, real-time monitoring, security private, and another details. Meta X Smart Payment Gateway will be these features on area, and Meta X Smart full integrated NTA token utility, decentralized Lightning Pass, bank level security, mobile optimized features on this area. You can look this news from this blog. Also, they have social media channels. You can look these social media channels. Example, go X Twitter and get look and get information from Twitter account there. Yes, have over 1,000 members and empowering the future of trading NFTs DeFi. Gas-free, security, cross-chain. Not meta details about it and have details on this project and another videos, information about Node Meta. Yes, my friend, I talked about all details Node Meta. This is technology, features, also node buying, and other details. All details I talked about it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and please comment below your ideas, your feedback about this Node Meta project. Very thanks for watching my video. Thanks.